After a woman gives birth, in a way, not only she gives birth to her baby, but she births herself as a mother. And therefore is a period of habituation to a new stage in her life, a whole new set of responsibilities, and a whole lot of demands that will be placed on her. Ideally, a new mother deserves the help and dedication of somebody close who cares for her, who knows about the needs of a new mother, or maybe has been through the experience and is prepared to do anything in that home to not only to support the mother and see her through all these changes that she goes through, and also covers for what she now should be excused from doing. Maybe cleaning, cooking, shopping, playing with the older children, doing errands. But also, ideally, she would know about massage, and she would know about nurturing foods and drinks that will really boost the mother. The role of the postnatal network at the moment is to educate people to this new yet very old awareness. We lost the traditions that used to rule care of mothers in the families, that used to be passed on in communities, and we're reintroducing it. So we're setting up a website, we've registered ourselves as a charity at the European level. We're setting up a training program for Sevadars or helpers, support workers, and we're putting together information and material, leaflets to give out, but also documents with information for recipes online that people can download that will make them feel more confident to then reach out to those who deserve it.